Hi friend, it's Pip. Ooh, I'm so happy you're here. By the end of this video you'll have 6 real little AI tricks you can use today with any AI like ChatGPT or Gemini. One even lets you snap a photo of your messy fridge and get dinner ideas. Well, stay all the way to the end, because my very favorite one is last. Beep boop, let's go. Hi friend. Well, did you know you don't have to type to your AI at all? Beep boop. Here's the secret, open your AI app, then find the little voice or headphone icon and tap it. Now just talk, out loud, like a podcast that answers you back. Well, you can ask while you're cooking, walking, or folding laundry, totally hands-free. Try this, tell any AI, explain how rainbows work, like I'm 5. Then listen as it talks right back to you. Ooh, it feels like chatting with a friend. You've got this. So, next, something amazing, your AI can actually see. Ooh, did you know AI has eyes now? Beep boop. Well, here's one that feels like magic. Well, next time you're staring into your fridge wondering what's for dinner, just take a photo. Snap the inside, send it, and let any AI look for you. Then tell any AI, give me 3 dinners I can make with only this, nothing else bought. It actually reads your ketchup, your carrots, your leftovers, all of it, and turns them into real meals. No grocery trip, no recipe hunting, just dinner. So fun, right? Coming up, one little word that makes your AI way smarter. Beep boop. Did you know your AI can wear different hats? So, it's true, friend. When you give it a job title, it changes how it answers. Tell it to be a patient tutor, and it explains slowly and kindly. So, tell it to be a chef, and you get real cooking help. So here's the magic, start your message with the role. Well, tell any AI, act as a patient tutor and explain fractions to me. See? So, you just gave it a job. Try chef, lawyer, recruiter, anything you need. Next is the trick I used to study, and it really works. Ooh, did you know that reading your notes over and over is one of the weakest ways to learn? Beep boop. Your brain remembers things way better when it has to dig them out. So instead of asking an AI to explain a topic, ask it to test you. Tell any AI, quiz me on this topic, 1 question at a time, wait for my answer, then tell me what I missed. 1 question at a time keeps it gentle, and that, what I missed, part shows you exactly where to look again. So, it's like a patient study buddy who never gets tired. You've got this. So, remember those AI eyes? There's one more thing they can do. Remember how your AI has eyes? Beep boop, those same eyes can read your screen too. Next time a scary error pops up, or a menu confuses you, or a chart makes your head spin, just take a screenshot. Then paste that picture right into the chat. You don't even need to type the words. Tell any AI, what does this mean, and what do I do? It will read the whole thing and explain it like a friend. Errors, settings, squiggly graphs, all of it. So easy. Okay friend, this last trick. So, it's my very favorite. This one has saved me so many times. So, ooh, have you ever sent a message, then wondered, wait, did that sound mean? Beep boop, me too. Here's the trick, friend, before you hit send, let any AI read it first. Just paste your text or email and tell any AI, how does this come across? Give me a Kinder version. It'll spot the parts that feel sharp, and hand you a softer way to say the very same thing. You stay you, just warm up. It's like a tiny friend checking your tone before the world sees it. So gentle, so helpful. Beep boop, you did it, friend. 6 little tricks, all yours now. If Pip helped you today, please subscribe and follow me for a new tip every single day. And tell me in the comments, which trick will you try first? Ooh, I can't wait to read them. You've got this.